US President Joe Biden's son, Hunter Biden, is once again under scrutiny. Two whistleblowers who have testified against Hunter in an ongoing investigation for tax evasion.
Right, this investigation was not only targeting Hunter but also holds ramifications for the president. Two Internal Revenue Service whistleblowers, Special Agent Joseph Ziegler and his supervisor Gary Chapelet, testified before the House Oversight Committee. Hunter Biden has been accused of committing tax felonies various times between 2014 to 2019. This includes evasion and fraud.
Hunter Biden has pleaded guilty to two misdemeanor counts of failing to pay on time more than $200,000 in his 2017-2018 taxes. Now, this was done under an agreement made with the Trump-appointed U.S. Attorney for Delaware, David Weiss. But witnesses allege that Attorney Weiss was not given proper authority and that the Justice Department obstructed the investigation in Mr. Biden's favor. Now, this includes engaging in influence peddling with foreign nations. However, the Democrats have dismissed the allegations.
Now, as I mentioned, this not only targets Hunter Biden, but also will have ramifications for the president.
Right.
Now, to talk more about this, we spoke to our correspondent Susan Tehrani, who tells us where the general concerns of the whistleblowers, what the general concerns here are, and what they did detail in their reports.
The whistleblowers detailed what they viewed as being irregularities, including delayed warrants and instructions to investigators to avoid certain topics when they were investigating Hunter Biden, the president's son. This led to the Republicans on the committee to once again say that there is a two-tier justice system in the Biden administration and among Democrats in general, which basically gives preferential treatment to the Biden family. Wednesday's hearing was part of a series of investigations by the Republican-led House, which seeks to tie President Biden to his son's business dealings.
Susan also explains what political implications this investigation will have for voters.
Hunter Biden recently made a plea deal with prosecutors regarding weapons possession charges and misdemeanor charges, which will likely keep him out of jail. Republicans immediately cried foul upon receiving the news. Republicans, for the most part, have made an attempt to use Hunter Biden, President Biden's son, as a counterpoint to investigations against former President Donald Trump. Most Republican voters, when polled, truly believe that there is a two-tier justice system when it comes to issues related to former President Donald Trump and the Biden family. Now, this is important because it also comes at a time when among Democrats and Republicans, faith in institutions is really at an all-time low. But unlike Biden, who never held office or is never planning on holding office, the charges against former President Trump are more serious and may land him in jail.